Hello and welcome to first grade. First, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Mrs. Culross. This is a picture of me and my husband. I just got married at the end of May. This will be my 4th year teaching first grade. I have 4 cats. Their names are Gus, Cappy, Binks, and Cinny. I love to play volleyball and soccer, and I love to read. This is our special schedule for the year. Monday we have library, Tuesday we have STEM, Wednesday fine arts, Thursday technology, Friday is PE. I do something called Student of the Week in my classroom. So starting a couple weeks into school, each student will have a turn to be the Student of the Week. I will send home a note on the Friday before your week to let you know if it's your turn. Then every day of that week, we do something special for that student. So on Monday, you would bring in a couple pictures to share with the class. Tell us a little bit about it. It can be a picture of just you and your family, you and friends, whatever you'd like. Tuesday, the class will interview you, ask you about your favorite color, favorite food, things like that. Wednesday, you'll bring in your favorite book, and I will read it to the class. Thursday, you bring in a couple things to share with the class, and you do show and tell. And Friday, the class will make a book for you. Last but not least, our classroom is going to look a little bit different this year than it normally would. This summer, they distanced out our desks so that nobody is too close to another person. So this is just to keep us all safe. So desks will be further apart from each other. We won't have any tables or anything. We'll be eating lunch and breakfast in the classroom. Most specials will be in the classroom as well. So that includes like PE will be in the classroom. Most of the teaching will be whole group. So that just means we won't be doing, I won't be pulling any small groups to work with a group of kids. So as that would make us too close together. We'll do lots of brain breaks, though, to make sure that we get up and moving, even if it's just by our desks. So we'll do some dances or some stretching, things like that to make sure we're still moving throughout the day. Even with all of these changes, I still know that we can have a great year together, but we just have to work together to make it that way. I cannot wait to see you guys tomorrow in the classroom.